Welcome to All-Rounder Kids. Programming Concepts for Kids. Part 2. Building blocks. What it means. Programs are made by joining small pieces. Example: like Lego bricks. Small blocks make big things. Forever loop. What it means. Something that keeps happening. Example: clock ticking, alarm clock. Heart beating. Randomness. What it means. Something happens by chance. Example: rolling a dice, game die. Lucky wheel spinning. Messages. Talking between things. What it means. Characters talk to each other. Example: cat says start. Dog runs. Used a lot in games. Objects have properties. What it means. Things have details. Example: ball, color, size, speed. Learning from mistakes. What it means. Fix and improve. Example: fall then stand up then walk better. Same with coding. Experiments. What it means. Try new ideas. Example: what if the character jumps higher? Focus. What it means. Do one thing at a time. Example: finish homework, then play. Step counting. What it means. Count how many steps to move. Example: move forward 4 steps, turn right. Remembering choices. What it means. Computer remembers what you picked. Example: choose a red car. Next time game shows red car. Acting. What it means. Characters perform actions. Example: walk, jump, dance. Tools. What it means. Helpers that make work easy. Example: pencil for drawing, Scratch blocks for coding. Reset and improve. What it means. Start fresh and make better. Example. Erase drawing. Redraw better. Grouping things. What it means. Put similar things together. Example. All red toys together. All blue toys together. Patterns can help. What it means. Recognizing repeating things makes tasks easier. Example. Red, blue, red, blue. Predict the next color. Organize things. What it means. Keep similar things together. Example. Toys by color. Blocks by size. Red, blue, green. Reuse work. What it means. Use the same solution again. Example. Jump block. Use for multiple characters. Roles. What it means. Each character has a job. Example. Player runs, enemy chases, coins collect. Debugging. What it means. Fix mistakes step by step. Example. Character doesn't jump? Check the jump block. Debugging. Fixing mistakes in your program. Example. Character doesn't jump. Check the jump block. Functions. Reusable actions. A set of instructions you can use again and again. Example. Jump button in a game. Make sound block and scratch. Data and lists. Computers store many items together in a list. Example. List of friends' names. List of game scores. Loops with conditions. Do something while something is true. Example. While battery is more than 0. Robot moves. In a game. While player lives is more than 0. Keep playing. Binary basics. Computers think in zeros and ones. 0 equals off. 1 equals on. Example. Light switch. Off equals 0. On equals 1. Computers use this to understand everything. Thank you for watching. Hope you had lots of fun in learning. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.